Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just a few minutes ago, I made a video on this, and I stated that if you looked at the objects are further and further apart as they get smaller. Well, I thought I'd kind of explain to that why that happens. So I'm not gonna blend these. I'm gonna rotate them. I'm gonna go to Tools, Dockers, and Transform, and use the transformation docker at 15 degrees in 5 of them. So they're all equally spaced apart. But this one is 100%. If we make this one 90, we're making them smaller progressively, make that one 80. And this is what the blend tool is having to do. It's blending smaller and smaller objects. And you can see in just a second that this is what you get. Watch this thing actually probably kind of jump up, or not really jump up, but see, they're closer together. I just now, when I was thinking about this, I think I might have figured out a solution, and I'm a little bit off on my turning, but that's because I started off with that just a little bit off. Anyway, so I hope that kind of explains it, why the blend tool does that when you're using a different size shapes. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.